Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to all of you. So, first of all, I want to thanks and glad to welcome all of you to see the video. So, I will proceed to the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is for us to present our mini project assignment of program code CSC128. So for our project, we choose cost of material generator as our topic for the mini project. So why we choose this topic? The reason is because we need to choose a topic that related to our courses. So let's proceed to the next slide. So this video have 4 board members. So these are the members that involved in this program. Project. So first, Mohammad Zhafran, then Mohammad Syazwan, next Amirul Shafiq, and last Mohammad Naimm. So for our project summary, this generator, which is our project and the program, is for solving the total cost of material that used. So construction need a lot of material. So to calculate the total cost of material used in ringgit by manual need a long of time. So by using this generator, we can save users time and simplify everyone's jobs. This is our objective system. So there is 3 objectives. So the first, this generator is made to first save users time to calculate material prices. The next objective is can prevent human error in calculation, and the last objective is precise material cost calculation.
Okay, for the first part of the coding is we are using the include IO stream for use of input and output in this coding, and second is we are using include IO menu for a multiple function in the coding that we use in this program. Okay, first we are using double for the calculate cost, because the cost is a number itself and we need to use double because the highly integer number. And then we use the char for the include concrete, as it is the name that we need to use as the input. And then we use integer as the concrete number because the number itself referring to the total of the number of concrete. And then it is repeated but just with different name, like char include steel, and then integer steel number, and char include wood. And then we go to the first part, which is the output. First is, do you use concrete as a material? And then there is 2 options between yes or no. And then we put the CE, which is the include concrete, and we use the if the user put 1, which is yes, it will go to the second, which is the number of concrete used, hence using the integer the concrete number. Or if it is else, with the user use number 2, which is no, it will break and we'll go to the next question, just the same question, but it's referring to the other materials, such as the second is steel and the third one is the wood. Hence, at the end, we're using the total cost, which is equal to the complete number times with complete cost plus with steel number times with steel cost plus with wood number times with wood cost, and then it will become the total cost of the three materials that were stated above.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zhafran Mohammad Rashid. I'm from Group C. We continue for the last part of the coding. For the last part, we want to ask the user to fill in the engineer's name and the ID number of the engineer. Other than that, we ask the user to fill in the concrete cost, steel cost, wood cost, and the total cost is RM. Other than that, and then we try to find out the engineer's name and the engineer's ID. After that, we ask the user to press 1 to continue or press 0 to exit to continue the loop. While loop equal to 0, and the last one is total cost of material. This is for display. The total cost of material is RM total. That's all.
Hi, my name is Mohammad Naimm bin Rahman Nasir. Let's continue with output or demo. First of all, they will ask you to enter your name. So, for example, I enter Razif, and they will show up your ID. So, enter your ID. Next question, they will ask you, do you use concrete as material? So you need to enter 1 for yes or 2 or no. I enter yes, and they ask you number of concrete used. Example 2. For the next material, they will ask you about steel. Do you use steel as material? For example, I use no, and they will skip the number of steel I need because you entered no. Next, do you use wood as material? Example, I use yes, and number of wood used 4. So they will calculate for you the total cost of material that you need. And then they ask you press 1 to continue and 0 to exit. I enter 1, and they will repeat the process. For example, I entered my name, concrete, yes, number of concrete use 3, for example. Still 1, and they will ask you wood. For example, I enter yes and 2. So this is for my second calculation. So as long as you not enter 0, so they will not terminate it. They will repeat the same process, and after you enter 0, they will terminate it. So that's all from us. Thank you.